Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're gonna do unboxing for a new router, a D-Link Eagle Pro AI AX1500 smart routers R15 from a D-Link. So this router very much is considered as a budget router. Basically, the price is very affordable compared with some other routers in the market. Plus, the quality of the surface from this router, because this router supports Wi-Fi 6, and then it's AX1500, as well as the router covers about 2,600 square feet. So this router is basically considered as one of the best routers in budget value. Basically, the router comes with four Ethernet ports. Well, the first one is going to be one, the other three, 1 gig bit per second each. And then the coverage for the area for this router cover about 2,600 square feet. So let's do unboxing and see what is inside the box. So basically, always as a recommended, keep in mind this. It's gonna be a sealed router. If it's not a sealed router, then it's basically considered as a use it or refurbished. So as always, I recommend it to double check if it's a sealed router. And then let's get started and see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the D-Link AX1500 smart router R15. So let's see what's inside the box. And then this is gonna be a good router to cover about 2,600 square feet. So okay, let's see what's inside the box. All right, so let's put the box on the side, and then it comes with installation guide. So this is very much quick installation guide. Need to be checked. You need to read the installation guide to make sure how is the installation on this router. It's very easy. It comes with a patch cable, Ethernet cable, just one patch cable. That's it. And then comes with a power adapter, just the regular power adapter. And this is the router itself. So now let's see. The size very much small. It's not that big. It's not gonna take a bigger place, and also comes with 4 antennas. So basically 4 antennas that's gonna cover a very wide area in the house, which is 2,600 square feet. So the first one, the yellow port, that says WAN. So you can plug in your internet through the WAN, the yellow one, and the other 3 ports, 1 gig bit per second each. So, and also this router supports Wi-Fi 6, AX1500. That means it's gonna be the data transfer is gonna be 1.5 gigabit per second. So it's that's it. That's all about this router for today. And then that's the Link Eagle Pro AX1500 smart router R15. Supports Wi-Fi 6. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Please share the video. Ask any question, put your comments, and I will get back to you. Thanks for your time and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks.